beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be giving you updates about this gorgeous hairstyle, fashion twist using Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle. I just want to give you guys an update if the coil is really still till a week, because this is a week update, or if the coil fell. So I don't really think the coil is still like the actual date I did this hairstyle. I think the coil kind of fell, so I kept one so I can show you all how the ones I kept look like. I just removed this now from the kebab stick. So can you see? Let me remove my band. I think the coils did not really fall. I think the coil are still intact, but not really, because it's a week update I'm giving you. What do you think? Let me come there and allow you guys to see. I think the coils are still intact. I'm kind of confused. I don't really know what to say. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about the coils. And I'm going to be showing you the easy way you can actually take this protective hairstyle down. Very easy and stress-free. So it's a thing I would advise you should try it out. Brazilian wool, very lightweight. I'm not feeling anything on my hair at all. Very lightweight. And I'm going to show you how you can style it, like 4 to 3 way or 5 way you can style it, because I don't want to allow this video to only be on me giving you an update about the coils. So I'll be showing you how to style it, 3 or 4 way you can style it. Then I'm going to be showing you how you can take it down, because I really want to take it down today. I rock this hairstyle for a week. Yes, for a week. So I'll be taking it down because I need to make another video. So that is why I said let me give you guys an update. So let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, can you please join my fam by clicking on the subscribe button? Support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. Comment down below, and please do not skip the heart. That is the only way you can use to support me. Please do not skip the heart. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much.
This is what I do to maintain the hair. I don't really do too much. I had my DIY oil to my scalp, then I massage my scalp. After adding that, I'm going to be spraying the hair with a oil sheen mousse just to add some shine. I'm not going to be putting oil at the hair because this is not a hair. This is a Brazilian wool. So this is the oil sheen I'm going to be spraying. So that's all. Now let's move to the styling of the hair. Just throw a headband on, then you are good to go. If you have not seen how I achieved this hairstyle, kindly click on the description box below to check it out. Then the second one, I'm going to be using this elastic ponytail rubber just to hold the hair. I'm going to take a little part, then I'll hold it. Then you can actually leave it like this, but no, I'm going to be rolling a donut on that. Then I'll hold it down with elastic rubber. So that's all. Very simple hairstyle. No one is going to know that this is a crochet hair at all. No, you're good to go. The third one, no need of you bringing down the ponytail. Just drop 2 at the left in the front, 2 at the left at the back. Then hold the hair towards the back with a ponytail rubber. I really love this hairstyle so much. This camera is not really doing justice to the hairstyle as a person. So the next one I'm going to be styling, I can't remember the number. I'm going to be using this beautiful Ankara print just to tie towards the hair. Then that is all. Very simple hairstyle. Even though you're in hurry, you can achieve all this hairstyle within 2 minutes to 3 minutes. 3 minutes itself is too much. So that is all. You're good to go with this hairstyle. So you're good to go. I'm sorry for the look of the quality of this video. I just laid my hand on a new camera, so I've not gotten the settings yet. I don't really like the look, but it's still manageable. Yes, I've not really gotten the settings yet, so that is why my face is kind of like a gold look. So the next style is very easy, like a center party. That is all. I love this hairstyle. So the next style, just hold this one. This one is my number one hairstyle. Even if I want to go to bed, this is how I pack it before I put on my bonnet. Even if I want to go and take my daughter in school, this is how I just pack it on.
So now I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be taking this crochet down. Very easy. You don't need to destroy this hair. You can wash this hair again, then reuse it again. Can you see? Very easy to take down. Very easy. Can you see? Very easy to take down. I would advise you if you want to take it down. That's why I burnt the tip. Do not draw this place like this. Draw it like this. That way it will be easier, because these burnt parts should not stuck to your hair. Can you see?
So that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know the style you love among all the hairstyles. Comment down in the section box below. Make sure you click on the like, subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can notify anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Ciao. Mwah. Mwah.